we're gonna be working in a cx3 Mazda 2019 with the engine, 2-liter engine. We're doing a regular maintenance, and as you can see, a lot of people know that we have an air filter, but a lot of people that they don't know is that we have an air filter inside the cabin. So it's very important to change it every 20,000 kilometers or every year. So let's have a look inside and see what I'm talking about. So in this particular car, in order to find this air filter, we're gonna have to remove the glove box. As you can see, it's pretty easy. You're gonna press inwards until this release right there. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna push it inwards. And as you can see now, we have a lot of space, and that's where your air filter is. So in order to take it out, okay, see those little tabs here? We're gonna press those tabs inwards like that, and then pull out. And that's all you have to do to remove it. As you can see, it's very, very dirty. So this filter, basically, this is where it filters all the air that is coming from the outside. So all the air that you breathe inside your cabin, this is the filter that is going to filter all these particles that it can cause you allergies or stuff like that. So that's why it's very important to change it. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Well, as you can see now, we have the new part. Make sure it's the same, and we're gonna put it the same way. Just gonna push it inwards until you hear the click. That's it. You hear that click, make sure it's tight in there. Push this in until those things click, and that's it. So there you have it, guys. Something very simple to do. If you're not a subscriber, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. So also leave your comments below, feel free to do it, and I will see you next time.